In this video, we are going to see and resolve this issue that if your virtual machine is not running, you just click on this, power on, and you got this error. Could not open virtual machine x64, file not found, remove Windows 10 x64, which is this one, from the library. So you're not sure either to remove it or cancel it, what to do. So basically this happens if you move the virtual machine folder from the background. So I have done that intentionally. I have created a simple separate folder and named it as testing mislocated. So basically this folder, which is inside that other folder, should be at this location. So I just cut it, paste it here, and everything should work fine. But in your case, you might have placed this virtual machine setup or folder, which is the main virtual machine, in the external hard, and maybe after that you have disconnected that external drive, or maybe due to whatever reason it disconnected itself. So that might be the problem that is causing the issue. So just close virtual machine, cancel this, close everything, open the virtual machine again, and it should work fine. Let's see. And now it is working fine without even needing to remove or linking it again. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.